Uniswap value equivalent to $13.98 and $43 a coin. The present exchanged cost range $13.70 and $692, $14.70, $14.13. The earlier day close $14.679. The change was 0.36 or 59%. Opposite rate US to Uni. Dollar to Uniswap estimate for June 2024. First and foremost cost at 0.43 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.55 while lows are 0.43. The found the middle value of cost to 0.48. The US to Uni estimate toward the month's end 0.51, change for June 18.6%. US to Uni expectation for July 2024. In the first place cost at 0.51 coins. Exorbitant costs in 51, while lows in 41. The found the middle value of cost in 47. The US to Uni gauge toward the month's end 0.44, change for July 13.7%. Dollar to Uniswap gauge for August 2024. In the first place cost at 0.44 coins. Exorbitant costs in 44, while lows in 35. The found the middle value of cost in 40. The US to Uni estimate toward the month's end 0.38, change for August 13.6%. US to Uni expectation for September 2024. To start with cost at 0.38 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.40, while lows on 35. The found the middle value of cost at 38. The US to Uni estimate toward the month's end 0.37, change for September 2.6%. Dollar to Uniswap estimate for October 2024. Initially cost at 0.37 coins. Excessive costs on 39, while lows on 34. The arrived at the midpoint of costs on 37. The US to Uni figure toward the month's end 0.36, change for October 2.7%. US to Uni expectation for November 2024. Initially cost at 0.36 coins. Excessive costs earn 38, while lows earn 33. The arrived at the midpoint of costs are 36. The US to Uni figure toward the month's end 0.35, change for November 2.8%. Dollar to Uniswap conjecture for December 2024. At the outset cost at 0.35 coins. Excessive costs are 35, while lows earn 28. The arrived at the midpoint of cost are 32. The US to Uni conjecture toward the month's end 0.30, change for December 14.3%. US to Uni expectation for January 2025. At the outset cost at 0.30 coins. Excessive costs 31, while lows are 27. The arrived at the midpoint of cost are 29. The US to Uni conjecture toward the month's end 0.29, change for January 3.3%. Dollar to Uniswap conjecture for February 2025. At the outset cost at 0.29 coins. Excessive costs 0.30, while lows are 26. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.28. The US to Uni conjecture toward the month's end 0.28, change for February 3.4%. US to Uni expectation for Walk 2025. To start with cost at 0.28 coins. Exorbitant costs are 30, while lows near 26. The found the middle value of cost 0.28. The US to Uni estimate toward the month's end 0.28, change for spring 0%. Dollar to Uniswap estimate for April 2025. First and foremost cost at 0.28 coins. Exorbitant costs 0.29, while lows 0.25. The found the middle value of cost 0.27. The US to Uni estimate toward the month's end 0.27, change for April 3.6%. US to Uni expectation for May 2025. Initially cost at 0.27 coins. Excessive costs 0.29, while lows 0.25. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.27. The US to Uni figure toward the month's end 0.27, change for May 0%. Dollar to Uniswap conjecture for June 2025. Before all else cost at 0.27 coins. Exorbitant costs on 27, while lows on 22. The found the middle value of cost on 25. The US to Uni estimate toward the month's end 23, change for June 14.8%. US to Uni expectation for July 2025. First and foremost cost at 0.23 coins. Exorbitant costs 24, while lows on 21. The found the middle value of cost on 23. The US to Uni estimate toward the month's end 23, change for July's %. Dollar to Uniswap estimate for August 2025. Initially cost at 0.23 coins. Excessive costs 29, while lows 23. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 26. The USD Uni figure toward the month's ends in 27, change for August 17.4%. USD Uni expectation for September 2025. Initially cost at 0.27 coins. Excessive cost zone 27, while low zone 23. The arrived at the midpoint of cost zone 26. The USD Uni figure toward the month's end zone 25, change for September 7.4%. Dollar to Uniswap figure for October 2025. Initially cost at 0.25 coins. Excessive cost 0.26, while low zone 22. The arrived at the midpoint of costs 24. The USD Uni figure toward the month's end 0.24, change for October 4%. USD Uni expectation for November 2025. At the outset cost at 0.24 coins. Excessive cost zone 30, while low zone 24. The arrived at the midpoint of cost A 27. The USD Uni conjecture toward the month's end 0.28, change for November 16.7%. Dollar to Uniswap estimate for December 2025. To start with cost at 0.28 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.28, while low zone 23. The found the middle value of cost 0.26. The USD Uni estimate toward the month's end 0.24, change for December 14.3%. USD Uni expectation for January 2026. First and foremost cost at 0.24 coins. Exorbitant costs 30, while low zone 24. The found the middle value of cost 0.27. The USD Uni estimate toward the month's end 0.28, change for January 16.7%. Dollar to Uniswap estimate for February 2026. First and foremost cost at 0.28 coins. Exorbitant costs 35, while low zone 28. The found the middle value of cost 31. The USD Uni gauge toward the month's end 33, change for February 17.9%. USD Uni expectation for Walk 2026. In the first place, cost at 0.33 coins. Exorbitant costs 0.42, while low zone 33. The found the middle value of cost on 37. The USD Uni gauge toward the month's end 0.39, change for spring 18.2%. Dollar to Uniswap gauge for April 2026. In the first place, cost at 0.39 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.40, while low zone 35. The found the middle value of cost 0.38. The USD Uni estimate toward the month's end 0.37, change for April 5.1%. USD Uni expectation for May 2026. At the outset cost at 0.37 coins. Excessive costs 0.44, while low zone 37. The arrived at the midpoint of costs 40. The USD Uni conjecture toward the month's end 41, change for May 10.8%. Dollar to Uniswap figure for June 2026. Initially cost at 0.41 coins. Excessive costs 52,